kia gatatu iguru ya mang'ana y'ubutukiri atatu hili gusanga n'ababatani akorwa Yeyunibasiti ensengima hili gusanga iguru y'ekinjira cy'okubwatirana gukora obutuki burakonya gukora emichando igochanda MWANYABANTO
kaukwana nabariki amang'ana nigobono mokonyi umo chancellor wa University ya Kisii Professor Nathan Ogechi haire usarire eira yogochia kugendera gukora ebikaro bunebiga amatuko aribosio eri gokonya ase amang'ana amange muri kitopetho el machine no arenga somo igoyo robotiro asenchiro wikira
bunenchire abwatani engima eri gukora obutuki bwo gukora emechando Nige University ya Kisii gekora no mokonyi bumo chancellor Professor Nathan Ogechi yachakire gikaro kya mutukata tumye University na mang'ana
We have gathered here at Kisii University for our third international multi-disciplinary which is starting today. The main highlights are today, yesterday, with the graduate students presenting what all is in relation to inclusivity and borderlessness in getting solutions to global problems with a focus on health. On health doesn't mean that we are talking about medicine. It means that we are dealing with all disciplines that will contribute to the health of the globe.
Okwana chinga kicho nigo Professor Ogechi akwanire igoro yeribaga ria artificial intelligence nabo EMEROBERIO moyabwe chiseme asogo ikrania ari agenderete kwenekiwa.
But what is coming out importantly from the beginning is the role that this institution and others are going to play, especially in the world of artificial intelligence and in the world of competence-based education in this country and beyond. What is it that we are going to do to ensure that everything goes on? And in particular with the technological developments, we are talking about a situation where we are not just teaching people for knowledge, to gain knowledge for knowledge's sake, but for purposes of getting competence, for purposes of performing when they get out, and for purposes of being adaptable to whichever developments that are coming in.
Nigo Professor Ogechi aganire kubwatirana na obwatani kurasi University mense ya Kenya edego kora emechando etunge Kiobotuki.
What goes on is, if universities are talking about problems with research, it means when we are remaining selfish. If we work collaboratively and in a partnering manner, it is possible to get our partners within the country, across universities, and even outside. That does not mean that there are no challenges, particularly when you are dealing with the equipment for research, especially in the natural sciences, where you need labs, where you need serious reagents. If you don't have good labs, it is possible to do research and come up with the main thing is, as universities, we invest in good labs. The good labs cannot just be each individual university doing it alone, but we can also do it collaboratively.
Ase atugirege tambukiro rya serikali asogochakia sekta y'obutuki asa masomo imechi University.
But very crucial also is that the government has gone ahead and created a state department for research. Remember, it used to be University Education and Research. When you have a state department for research, that is also ensuring that it's working across, so that it's not just universities. There are research institutions like Cambridge, there are research institutions that deal with economics. When we have a state department like that and all universities work together, the collaboration and the partnership that we are talking about will be coming in place and we'll be able to make progress as we move on.
Nigobono kubwatikana no mochando boborire wa Ebara Professor Ogechi aboria kubwatirana edio gokora obutuki bwa mario gogokonya gukora mochando iga.
As we evolve, more diseases are coming up. I know we are talking about Ebola. What we are dealing with right now is another variant. And as the variants come up, our researchers are involved. We want to tell you this. It's not just universities that deal with the research that will get solutions for the research institutions. For example, I've mentioned the Kenya Medical Research Institute, which focuses on research in the health sciences area. If we work together and with our collaborators who have better equipment, we should be able to get there. So there is a response, but as we said, some of these things keep on evolving. In the past, we said there would be some treatment here and therefore the other variants on Ebola. But right now, the new one is that they are working on it.
Kurpocheria Ensoko TV kurasa University ya Kisii, Chempethuel, Machin.